Please be sure to click on the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel so we can share our latest content with you. Finally, by using a wireless expense management solution, IT and accounting employees are no longer required to wade through mounds of invoices looking for billing errors, fixing or replacing broken devices, or even troubleshooting equipment issues. Instead, your folks can concentrate on their jobs, becoming much more efficient and happier employees. In our experience, larger organizations can expect savings of at least 30% or more on their fixed costs. Fixed cost savings, however, are only the beginning. We can show you a long list of other benefits by using WEM services. To learn more, contact RAM Communications today.